What's up, y'all? It's B-Dougie from OpenSauced, and we just cut a new release, version 117. Now, this has been highly anticipated because we've been focused on Hacktoberfest for the longest time, but now you could actually get custom insights on repos in your organization. So let's check it out. All right, so what we're looking at here is the actual OpenSauced dashboard, currently pinned to the JavaScript topic. So when you actually log in, you'll see a new tab that actually appears once you've actually logged in. So here we go. Insights Hub, it's available for us to check out. And here you can see I've got a couple different Insights Hub for projects I'm interested in. So the Angular team has a couple projects that I'm looking at what their PRs are. Vercel's got a couple of repos as well. And you see Microsoft also has some projects. Here we get a high level details of what's happening as far as PR velocity, as well as how the average time the PR gets opened and closed. So when I open this, I'll see specifically when I clicked on the Microsoft team, I can now see the Microsoft team's data, specifically on this dashboard. Now, if you're curious, you're probably wondering, hey, how can I add my contacts? Here at the bottom, we've got a nice little gray box, but also we have a button on the top right called Add Insights page. And here, if we wanted to have a title for our React Meta Framework Insights, and I've actually got a couple of repos that I saved from earlier, and adding the last one, perfect. So I've actually created my own custom dashboard with React Meta Frameworks. Now, there's probably tons of repos that you want to add to this. Currently, we're limiting this to 10. If you do have a need for more than 10, definitely reach out. But for now, we'll create a page for just these 4 repos. And now you can see on the bottom, I've got a new React Meta Framework dashboard specifically to see insights into those projects. So just like during Hacktoberfest, we can see contributions, reports. You can see the repositories listed specifically for those React projects. And we can see contribution data filtered for just the projects that I care about for this dashboard. Now, this is just the beginning, so I do hope that if you have any questions or you have any sort of repositories that we're not indexing that you'd actually like to see in OpenSauced, we also have a GitHub discussion for feedback. So click over here to the discussion. If you scroll down, you'll see there's a discussion specifically for what insights would you like to see. Just leave a little comment on what projects you're looking to get insights on, and we'll start indexing it for you, hopefully in a timely fashion. But with that said, thanks for your patience on this highly anticipated feature, and we're looking forward to see what you get saucy on.